Hi everybody, here's a quick tutorial about how to combine Excel cells. So we have a table with first name, last name, and we want to make a full name. So instead of just writing, we can have a formula. We will do equal, then we will choose the cell that we want. It will be K12. Then we will have the and sign. Then we will have a quote sign, space, and then another quote, and another and then we will choose the cell L12 and we will have a full name. Now you can drag it for the end of the table, and now we still have the formula. So what we're going to do, we are going to copy and special paste it. Going to copy and paste special, and we will choose value, and here we go. You have a table with the names. I hope it helps. This is the formula, you can see it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.